What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're going to unbox the Nike Kyrie 5 Ikhet by Concepts. So this is the Nike Kyrie 5 called the Ikhet, designed by Concepts, the sneaker boutique, of course. And in this video, we're going to touch on all the little details that make these such a distinct looking shoe. We'll talk about the shoebox a little bit. We'll touch on the release information and all that. Right off the bat, we're very impressed by the colorway. It's interesting to see them kind of approach the shoe as if they're designing like a retro runner or something like that, but this is a signature basketball shoe. If anything, it's the most recent signature basketball shoe that Nike has put out. The Kyrie 5 is barely a month old. It officially released in November in 2 colorways, and now they have a new one for late December. So again, it's a collaboration with Concepts. They're based in the Boston area, and Kyrie Irving plays for the Boston Celtics, so that connection is definitely clear. So let's look a little closer at the details. First, you have this golden light beige sort of upper. You have that engineered mesh. You have the chiseled swoosh, this molded heel piece. Even the fly trap and the laces all have that gold sort of touch. So again, it touches on the whole Egyptian ancient archaeological findings with pharaohs and that sort of aesthetic. They did a great job implementing that sort of mood and theme onto this shoe. So not only do you have that gold on the upper, they decided to go for more regal touches in the purple, typically recognized as a color seen in royalty. So there's a 2-tone purple color blocking, a lighter purple on the foam midsole. You have a darker purple on the rubber outsole, and if you look very closely, there's actually a pearlized finish to give it a little bit more of a pop. You could definitely see that added color in the light. Another nice little touch is they went with this very daring sort of red color that pops immediately when it's compared to the gold upper. Got a nice little metallic silver swoosh on the medial side. Again, just to point out that the lateral side, it does have this chiseled sort of texture to it. And our favorite part about the Kyrie 5 is the heel, because it's this molded piece that really helps the brand get very creative. They could add different logos, different colors, patches, things of that nature. So you have the seeing eye sort of logo right here, and you have the V to represent the 5, and right over there on the bottom of the heel, you see the same 5. So we're very impressed with this release, mostly because they approached it like a retro runner almost. I mean, you can totally see this colorway live perfectly on an Air Max 1 or some New Balance shoe or things like that, but they decided to approach the signature shoe. They wanted to keep it true to their style, and they wanted to also honor the athlete, because the shoe, like we said, is inspired by Kyrie Irving's Hamsa tattoo that's on his shoulder. So again, they wanted to kind of marry their methods of designing a shoe, keeping it true to Kyrie Irving's personality. So of course, there's a special edition shoebox that will be exclusive to Concepts. If you cop them anywhere else, you're gonna get the standard Nike Kyrie shoebox. So let's take a closer look at the shoebox actually. Again, you see that same eye logo in like the hieroglyphic style, and the actual pattern on the box, it has a blend of this weathered, cracked stone, which represents, like we said, archaeological findings, paleontologists see on archaeological digs and things like that. But they kind of blended in this sort of galaxy, outer space sort of graphic. You can even see all these little dots, and as we open the shoebox, you can even see like the themes of outer space. And this doesn't mean that the shoe has anything to do with outer space, but more that Kyrie Irving approaches life with this universal thinking. He's very open-minded. He likes to think outside of the box, so the graphics on the box sort of play into their concept for the design as well. So again, this shoebox will most likely be limited to Concepts upon the release, but the shoes will also come with, like we said, standard Kyrie 5 box. Overall, we're very impressed. It's a lifestyle shoe approach to a signature shoe. Colorway looks dope, and according to Concepts, they're releasing the shoe on Christmas Day, December the 25th. If you want to learn more about the release, just check all the links below, and we hope you guys learned what you need in this video. Stay tuned for the release, and we'll catch you on the next one.